Yo, what is going on, guys? Prevized here. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a sculpture where if you click on this, this is a model full of small little parts. If you just click, I'll show you what it does. Alright, so you can pretty much sculpt something, and studs is still on just because, I don't know. Uh, yeah, and you could just sculpt something. Well, alright, let's get to it. So first off, what you want to do is create a part that is 1 by 1 by 1, so 1 1 1. Actually, it does not matter what size. You can go with like point 0.2, whoops, point 0.2, point 0.2, point 0.2, but you don't want your game to lag as much. I mean, if you don't mind your game lagging, because this might make your game lag if you're going to be adding a bunch of these parts. Um, don't do that. Just do 1 by 1 by 1, which is like one stud, which is this right here. Um, but I don't know how big you guys are gonna want y'all sculptures to be. Like, this is what I mean. But they have like 1 by 1 by 1 parts in there. Yeah, it's whatever you want. So just do that with all these parts, and then once you have that, you select everything, and then Control G, which groups all those parts, and then you want to go and start a GUI, right click, insert object, local script. Um, Inside the local script, wait, let's see. I already have a local script because I scripted this already. This is the script, but I will explain it just so I don't have to re-script it. Alright, so what we're trying to do is once we click on a block, then oh, also I forgot to tell you guys, in that model, make sure all these names, all the block name, all those parts inside of that one model is called block, with a capital B, or it probably won't work. Let's see, mouse out target. No, I think it, actually, I don't think it matters, but yeah, I don't think it matters. But do it if you want to do it just in case. Alright, so first off, we want to get the player because just in case, we don't really need to, but in every local script, you should just get the player just in case you ever need. But we do need the mouse. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. We do need the player. We do. I'm sorry about that. So get the player by doing game.players.localPlayer. Remember, this has to be a local script or it won't work. Alright, then we get the mouse. This just gets the player's mouse, like the cursor, what we use. And then the mouse has an event called button one down. This event fires whenever we click. I believe there's also something called button one click. Let me check on that. There's button one down. Button one down. No, maybe not. Maybe it's just button one down. Alright. So button one down. That just fires whenever you click, pretty much. So then we make an if statement. So if mouse.target, target is just whatever your mouse is gonna be like click on. Let's see if I can print mouse.target. Excuse me. Okay. As you can see, mouse, whenever we do the print function of mouse.target, it's gonna print whatever we click on. So it's gonna pretty much print the name. So we click on a base plate, it's gonna print base plate. If we click on this, it's gonna print Apple because Apple is the union name. If we click on this, this is, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, it's the name of the block. It's pretty much the name of the block. Like how we have the model over here. How we have the model. It's not going to print the model name. It's going to print whatever you click on, like that block, that part, or union. So, That's what that is. So if we click on a, a little part like this part, that's what that is. So if we click on it, then if mouse.target, which is that part, does not equal to nil. So we're just checking to make sure whatever we click on does not equal to nil. So uh we could have that, or it could just be like this, if mouse.target. But we want it, I'd just rather do does not equal to nil. So nil means nothing pretty much. So this is saying if whatever you clicked, if whatever you had clicked is there, and mouse.target.parent. So like I said, say we clicked on that part, which is mouse.target. Then we get the parent, which is sculpture, because of all these blocks, the parent of those blocks is sculpture. So dot parent dot name is equal to sculpture, which the name, if we click on that block, like one of these blocks, the name should be sculpture. So it will remove whatever you have clicked. That's pretty much. I hope I explained that well. I sure hope so. I hope you guys can understand that. But if you're here just for the code and not to learn, well, uh, I don't know what to say. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty simple. If you have any requests, I'll make a note in my notepad and I'll try to get to it. So peace out.